Field measurements require the use of work safety equipment such as project vests and hat. When operating a total station, the first thing that must be done is to set up a tripod to support the total station. Unlock the tripod legs, then raise the tripod up to chin level. Lock the tripod legs so they don't loosen, then open the tripod as shown in the video. Open the total station box lock, then take out the tool, holding the top of the tool and the bottom of the tool carefully. Lock the total station tightly from the bottom so that it doesn't shift easily. Make sure the total station lock is locked tightly. Next, insert the battery into the total station as shown in the video. If the battery is installed, the next step is to turn on the total station by pressing the on button as shown in the video. If the total station is on, press ESC twice. Then press MEAS or F1. Next we will set the Niveau bubble. The way to adjust the Niveau bubble is to raise and lower the stand until the Niveau bubble is in the middle. If the Niveau bubble is in the middle, the display on the screen will be like the video. Next we will install a compass which will help us show where north is. If the compass direction is in the middle of the line or heading north, then lock the compass. If the compass is tightly locked, then we will choose the job that we will use in this practicum. Press Member or F3, then select the job by pressing Enter. Before selecting job selection, we must ensure that the job to be used is 0. By selecting Comms Output, select Job 1 by pressing F4. Next we will choose Job Selection. Change job selection with Job 1 that we selected earlier. Press F1 to select Job 1, then press Enter. Next, change the job name to our group name by selecting Job Name Edit. Press SFT if you want to change letters or numbers, then if you want to delete, press BS. If you have changed the group name, then press Enter. Then press ESC twice. Then press MEAS F1 followed by press Record or F3. Next, we select Standard STN data, then we change PT to 0.1. Check the height of the total station using a meter. It shows 149 centimeters. Then we will enter the total station height data in the Inst. H option. Previously, we deleted it first by pressing BS. Then we press the down arrow. Then change the code with BM. If you have pressed the down arrow, then press OK or F1. We have set the BM. Now we select Press BACKSIGHT data. Then we select chord until the display looks like on the screen. We press OK or F4. Now we will move to the prism. Extend the prism by pulling on the bottom. Then place the prism in the north direction. Aim at the prism with a total station, making sure we see the crosshairs in the center of the prism. If you have aimed, mark the prism point with a Pilox so you don't lose it. Next, measure the length of the prism with a meter. Measure the distance between the total station and the prism using a roll meter. If it matches the prism, then we will press record or F4. Then we replace the code with BS. Then enter the height of the prism with a height of 144 centimeters. Then press the down arrow and change PT to 0.2. Then we press OK or F1. If we have selected angle data, then we will aim according to the sketch that has been made. This is a sketch of which benchmarks we will be aiming for. Aim for the first point or stake as in the video. After it matches like the video, then we press Auto or F1. Repeat until all the benchmarks are red. If the battery has been removed, turn the lock so that the tool can be moved. Then loosen the top lock so it can go up and down. Then to turn off the tool, press select and on simultaneously. Remove the tool lock as in the video, then lift the tool slowly by holding the top and bottom of the tool.